Our president in waiting, the best president Nigeria will ever have. Electoral is not about P2B. P2B na chair the man now. Almost going na chair cool. I only about to do Nigeria. Not involved. Kunu dey turn the way voters card. He never want to put out the card. I to say vote to Anambra. The vote to Anambra cover 3 or 4 states. Not involved. I Anambra. I am Eastern Nigeria. I am Eastern Nigeria. I don't want to see a vote. The one has to go to I want to use Who to P2B Nigeria. Who knows when I get there run? I am a there run. I got P2B one first, the first ballot. Don't involve. I was going to hear my belly. I want to make a little that P2B their future I am mini. Don't know moon in a Jacopo. Don't know who will follow them is about 90% of them were all. I want to see Chineke. Now, fully for Afuna and Zuzo. Malifa Manupuno, Mana P2B, Dalunosi, immediately. Kona P2B president in Nigeria, president elect in 5th of February. Now about Jesus. I want to invite to the microphone a great Nigerian, a father for this nation, a perfect gentleman. Please help me put your hands together for Professor Pat Otome. Years later, P2B came to go to school there. There, we shape people to have character. In this race, character matters. Yusuf, Ati, Baba, Ahmed, I have known his brothers for more than 30 years, and I know that he has character. Come to me. combination will make a new Nigeria. What is your part to this? You must make sure that you have your what? And you will make sure that you go to the rural area, that you talk to all those market women and tell them that it is what? Mama, Papa, Pikin. What are you looking for? Mama, Papa, Pikin. If you do your part, I will tell you that this country can go from the poverty capital of the world to one of the most flourishing and prosperous countries on this planet. And trust Peter and Dati, a new Nigeria to this possible. Okay, Ndana, are you ready for this now? Yes. I want to bring up our mother, the incoming First Lady, Mrs. Margaret Odin. Please put your hands for our very dear mother. Vice President of our dear party, Dr. Dati Baba Ahmed, the National Chairman of Labour Party, the National Woman Leader, our National Organizing Secretary, members of the
PCC, all our distinguished guests, all our candidates in Anambra State, all lovely people of Anambra State, I salute you.
Her Excellency, don't be offended. Mr. Peter, have you seen your beautiful Nigeria niile anyị nwe mmadụ ọsọsọ anyị nwe mmadụ anyị nwe nwoke dị accountable nwoke na-arụ ọrụ n'ụlọ ọfụma onye ọbụla bụ onye Anambra steeti kwesịrị na-eme ngala maka ife anyị nwe. Her Excellency, don't disturb yourself so that you will not lose your voice. When I see the people that want to challenge your husband, I'm going to never press the decision. When you know that. Have the best thing Nigeria can get. We have the best thing Nigeria can get. Go out and collect your PVC because in Labour Party, the team of Peter Obi and Dr. Gati Baba Ahmed are a team that have proven themselves in different sectors. They are competent, they are accountable, they are young, they are vibrant, and this new Nigeria we're looking for is possible. It's possible through Peter Obi and Dr. Gati Ahmed. All I want to tell you is that a new Nigeria is about to be born. And we, as women of Nigeria, are rising up. God has granted us the will to birth a new Nigeria. INEC, women are over 50% registered voters. Youth, when you combine the youths and women in the voters register of INEC, we constitute 75%. So we are ready. Yes. I am the youth. I want. Get well up to be just okay. Okay, Lugo. Ninda. No. Putano. But February 25th. It's Labour Party. Labour Party.
Labour Party, Peter Obi, 100%. But I see no, man now Nigeria, I went mad. I don't need Nigeria, also where Malo, oh, Peter Obi gave me a promise. Because I'm making Our Excellency before the election on a voting funding Madonna public. He's a corporate man, he's an intelligent man, but the other party, like the other one, when they carry broom, if they want to talk, you know the way they used to talk. PVC is the only weapon we have to change Nigeria, to give birth to a new Nigeria. Please collect your PVC and come out and vote. Anybody telling you there won't be election in the Southeast, we will prove them wrong. We will do what? So there is going to be an election and it will be peaceful, and at the end, Labour Party will have victory to the glory of God. She don't leave and she come fine, join her. The only woman, only governor wife, only president wife, wait fine. Fine, so her name come down to Maggie M.A.G.G.Y. And I want to come for a mother of her. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to invite to speak to Anambra people, the national chairman of Labour Party. Please help me put your hands together for Dr. Barrister Julius Akore, please. Mr. Youth. Nigerian youth, Labour Party, ordinarily, we would not have come to Anambra State to do this rally. The reason is because Peter Obi is from here. And because Peter Obi is from here, we would have taken it for granted that all of us are obedient. But the recent event showed that there are bad eggs in the house. But you know the greatest joy is that the forces
As you have forces of light, we also have forces of darkness. But our greatest joy is that the forces of light will not always overcome the forces of darkness. And today, in the whole of Nigeria, the forces of light is coming from Anambra State. The light that will rescue Nigeria is coming from you. Are you not a special generation? Are you not a special generation? Onitsha have always produced great leaders. And another one is about to come. I want you to clap for yourself. I want you to follow me and sing this song. We are the chosen generation. I want to remind Anambra people that any opportunity that is lost can never come back. This opportunity that is in Nigeria today, Anambra people must not allow us to lose it. We will never lose it. Other people say, if house no kill person, outside not a fit killer. What am I saying? I'm saying that we must win Anambra State 99.9%. 100%! 100%! Today, who can say it is my turn? It is no other one. Who is that one? Who is my turn today? You know why? When we can't go north, who take her? When we go south again, who take her? When we go north again, who take her? As they come south now, who will take her? Okay, Anambra dey follow too. No be talk am o na. Nche kwa agari mesu na agoya. Atom kamolu nu niile. Obe o. Anambra people are very, very lucky. We are not saying that you should vote for us because it is our turn. We are saying that you should vote for us because we are competent. We are not saying that you vote for us because they Peter Obina from here. But I want God of put PDP down. PDP candidate, bring that come, make me see. Bring NDC candidate, make me see. Bypass. Who is the best among them? Who is the best among them? National chairman, listen to me. National chairman, in the way they are being English, but Bola need to be.
no chichi. Ya biko biko. Iya Tinubu mere ya. Iya Atiku mere ya. Bara ya o.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to invite a very beautiful sister for special support and performance. Please let me put your hands for Jennifer Eliogu when she comes forward, please. Hey! Put your hands for Jennifer Eliogu, please. Jenny, please, where are you at? Sister Jennifer Eliogu, can you be in the way of my Jonas of Dirijo? Took a president. Thank you. Put your hands together, come on!
Mamada Pomenani, Ugo Chuku to Belani, Emmanuel to Anta. The thing we can do for us all, now only if we do, His blessings upon our lives. He bars my brain, Mugajani, Your Excellencies, I feel privileged to be here today to perform, to pledge my support. If you're obedient, you're obedient. If you're not obedient, you're not obedient. So today we are taking a stand. And we're going to sing the song. Because what we need in Nigeria is unity. And we already have the door to unite Nigeria. And each other one day, irrespective of language, of tribe, we are one. Break it down now. We need to use the key that we all can sing to. That's it. Okay, are we ready for this one? Break it down. I'll start you go with me. Okay? Break it down. Eyes for me. Abogini Kameliji Bolonano. Sing with me. Abogini Kameliji Bolonano. Power.
Right about now, I want to invite our father, a perfect gentleman, an educationist, the true definition of humility and simplicity. Ladies and gentlemen, our Vice President in waiting, please put your hands together for His Excellency, distinguished Senator Dati Baba
come here, leave her for there. Leave her now.
I'm so happy. This time, we'll be our own. That's me. And respect. 2023 now. Let me see the Southeasterner who will say it is not your problem.
You will leave that.
Has been saying, hold us responsible. We hold you responsible for bringing President Peter Obi to Nigeria.
And he says we shall live as one in Nigeria. To live as one, a leader like Peter Obi must be elected in Nigeria. I believe in fairness. That is why I'm with Peter Obi. And I believe in justice. And that is why I'm with Peter Obi. Let me tell you a story. Some Obedience were campaigning in those forests. And those people in the forest, they caught them. When they checked their pocket, they brought out, they saw Peter Obi. Those people say, God save you. That was how bandits released Obedience. If Obedience in the north are for Peter Obi, who in Nigeria is not for Peter Obi?
Peter Obi bụ ma nwa ọgbọgbọ ndụ na aka Chineke.
A strong history of relationship between Southeast and Northwest.
Yes, sir.
There is a strong history of friendliness, in fact, between the whole South and the whole North. In 1979, TikTok. It was late President Shagari of Blessed Memory and then Alex Okene of Blessed Memory. And now, history repeating itself. History reversing itself. My brothers and sisters well too. Because you are with Peter Obi and because we are with Peter Obi. Sometimes I wonder, these other political parties, what is driving them? And I was able to find two. First party, where they power now. The team where they deceive them, they say they get money. The money will not get your pocket. The money will not get your bank account. I ain't there with them. Now that money they deceive them, say make them come back.
They don't finish also.
The other thing they say, then they praise.
We're lying.
Incoming Vice President, who has the final say?
Don't forget. Southeast, South, North Central, and Northeast. All these people have said they are not doing. What is the business again? The small money where they never finish spending, and they want them. This election, by the grace of God Almighty, is as good as won.
you know Peter Obi? Make I tell you again because now I know. Peter Obi is that shining star.
Now I'm
moving Nigeria from consumption.
What shall it be?
That gentleman who went through Christian school, read philosophy. You know what philosophy is? Yeah. I'm a university lecturer. My lecturer's lecturer is here today. And told me, Prof, we know and we appreciate Peter Obi. We can tell you who Peter Obi is. A young man who supermarkets as a student. We know where he's from. We know what he represents. My brothers and sisters, as they say, there is no use throwing cotton at an elephant charging. Peter Obi and my humble self, under the obedience movement of the Great Labour Party, we are charging through. Nothing is going to stop us from rescuing Nigeria.
Incoming Vice President, don't worry yourself. If you talk about Labour Party, we are going higher. Yes. We are going higher today. We are going higher. Yes, we are. We are going higher today. We are going out of the shadow into the presence of God. Into the presence of God. We are going higher today.
Finally, listen carefully. The day you hear one sentence, President Peter Obi of Nigeria, on that day, we will stop the killing and start the healing. We will stop the stealing and start the giving. Once we hear President Peter Obi of Nigeria, we have stopped the slide and we have stopped targeting the trends of our society. Thank you very much and may God bless you.
This is a special moment. Are you obedient? Are you obedient? Are you obedient? Do you know Peter Obi Unafu Okutendi Bonanya? Thank you very much, Your Excellencies, very, very distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. A special moment. We'd like to invite a very special man, a gift to not just Nigeria but Africa at the moment. He's spoken to, and of course a lot of people are talking about him around the world. He's not the president of the nation because they believe in his competency and accountability. Ladies and gentlemen, a lot of people are scared because he has structure. He don't get structure. Not really his structure.
We are the structure. I am the structure.
Incoming President, Federal Republic of Nigeria. pussy. Body will pussy. I'm a sukuru. Think of beginning in the jet. What we are coming to do, that we have told you, we want to end suffering in Nigeria. What Nigerians to be? Nigeria today.
I hear you,
Nigeria today. Nobody is safe. In Nigeria today, nobody is safe. In Nigeria today, our youth don't have job. In Nigeria today, families are suffering. In Nigeria today, people are begging to eat. That is what we want to end.
I hear you.
We want to bring an end to suffering. We will secure and unite Nigeria. We will secure and unite Nigeria. And what I did here is what I'm going to do. We'll negotiate and talk with all of them about Qatar. I may say now, we are to run Qatar. I am not the government. We will make sure we negotiate, discuss, control, beg people. And I got your number. I can bring back. Even the God in China is a trading community. Yes. On Chawukomba. Yes. And I'm a trading state. It's a manufacturing state. Those industries will come back. We will support them.
It's possible.
I supported them as governor. I built industrial estate in Onitsha. I supported industry. Now we are going to do it in Kano. We are going to do it in Kaduna. We are going to do it in Lagos. We are going to do it in Kogi. If you know here, we used to be partner with Borno State. Now Borno gets the Budapest of Mangala. But I'm being there now, we will change Borno State. We will make it work. Every part of Nigeria will be productive. Nigeria will produce food. Nigeria will produce food you will eat. Because we have farmlands in the north. We will cultivate all those empty farmlands in the north. And we will use the goods I produce ever to turn into a factory in the east and everywhere. East the other factory here, and then export through Port Harcourt, through Warri, through like a wolf. About 3 hours.
3 hours.
I've been governor in this state. Every road you see in this one is that is started by me. Give you an example.
You can say it again. Say it again.
If I got a Nigeria, Nigeria will come back because we will make sure that all industries, all the producing industries like industry will be exporting their cars. We will face exportation. Naira Tata was 750. I've told them, allow us into power. Don't do a reverse, man. We will ensure that we export enough to stabilize the Naira. We will ensure that is a businessman. The difference between all those who want to be president today and vice president is that there's no combination like this. Anywhere, go and check all the other vice presidential candidates. None of them is a businessman. None of them is a wealth creator. If you have not created wealth, you can't manage wealth. None of them. He has created wealth. He has built 2 universities on his own. President. I am a trader. The only way this country can change is that you hand it over to those who have created wealth.
Yes.
Because when we are trading, wealth creators, we will create wealth. We will move the country from consumption to production. By that, that's why you need money. People are poor. If you do not come out, the more you put people out of poverty, the more you reduce criminality.
Yes.
Everybody want to that's what we want to do. We want to make our bank of Port Harcourt 1 town for export. What we are going to do will surprise everybody. We've done it privately. We are not asking you. Even his number of years, 10 and 10 more. 10 years around. If I do 56, 57 years. So 150s. you party chairman here, all the 52. Party chairman, PDP, 70, APC, 70, 52. I'm in the 50s. No, they combine. He combine and they goes up. The other 70. They goes up. Money by combine. I stand this thinking.
Are you like it? Are you like it? I like it. I like it.
No bank in Nigeria, no financial institution in Nigeria did I ever enter to borrow money. Yet, I built the best road network in Nigeria. Okay, the government,
Of course, you are right. You can say that again. No, you didn't.
Government down for complaint. The work of a leader is not to complain. It is to find solution. We are telling you, we are not going to complain. We are not going to remind you of your past. We are going to remind you of your future. We are going to build a better future for you. Nations after nations have gone through the problem Nigeria is going today. But with good leadership, the one we need in Anambra State, before I came to Anambra State, Anambra was known for bad things. But you have one for all. Mother Simba, no one ever one for all. That's what we want to do. We want to turn Nigeria into land of Africa. We want to turn it into land of the black man. That's the word to them that ever. It's Anambra State, course. And I answered it. And I'm asking, is Nigeria crossed our way to cross? The North will celebrate me. Because I'll fight poverty in the North. I'll fight education out of school children in the North. I will invest in it. If I'm president, the South will celebrate me. Because I will use whatever is remaining with the oil resources. I use it to finish South and bring life to South. If I'm president, the South will celebrate me. Because I'm going to turn Lagos into financial hub of Africa. If I'm president, the South will celebrate me because it will run the industry base and export base of Nigeria. Don't get the north the first part of cultivated land in the north. That will bring more money for Nigeria than oil. Because no man is possible. He gets the source of oil. That oil has been misused. And use whatever is remaining, clean up, make them celebrate. They are going to have this West Road that is uncompleted for 24 years will be completed. They are going to build a road from Masabatawari. They are going to do all that. They are going to ensure that all those places people thought is possible because onye banye moto osi atani ba Port Harcourt. You might not know that all you need from Port Harcourt is just a bridge over. You see how I know Port Harcourt. You can't come out and don't worry. The way trade there is organized and River Benue. Onye banye moto Port Harcourt. There will be no more flooding in Nigeria because we dredge River Niger, we divide River Benue, and we are going to ensure that there is no dam in the north for agriculture. He is committed to the future of Nigeria and committed to it. We are young.
Never young.
All our requires physical and mental energy.
Official media people, not your phone.
Go and see what Jonathan said about second Niger Bridge. Go and see it. People who are today celebrating with international airport. Go and read what happened there. Although I walk it up, but even the East will fly from Enugu to the wall. Fly from Port Harcourt to the wall. The southwest will continue to fly from Lagos to the wall. The north will be from Kano. The north will be from Abuja. I assure you that by the time we finish what we are doing, there will be at least 6 international airports where you can go from. I will make sure that today it costs more to fly from here to London than it costs to fly from Ghana, than it costs to fly from Johannesburg. We will stop it. It costs more to bring their container to Nigeria than it costs to go to Cotonou or Ghana. It will stop. We will make sure that police does not harass anyone. Police will be our friend. We will educate police. We will recruit more. We will recruit intelligent, educated people into police. We train the existing ones. We teach them compassion. How to love the citizen. So everybody can walk off now.
They don't have to
I negotiate. All money make your money negotiate. We are committed to it. All we want I'm telling you is that we have no other country except this one. And we will fix it. For ourselves, for our children, Labour Party! Labour Party! Mama, Papa, begin! Go out and collect your business and vote for a new Nigeria. Thank you and God bless you. Professor, Dean of Management Studies, on the young from there. On the guy, don't do.
Salah tak ada.